Thank you to my principal secretary and a friend who's done a terrific job. I think Jayesh Ranjan deserves a huge round of applause from all of you guys. Rarely have I seen a bureaucrat who's been in service for almost 30 years. Because what happens is when you come into government and beyond a point, you start getting cynical about everything. You start generally, looking at things through the prism of bureaucracy, and typically that tends to bog you down. Jayesh, my compliments to you on staying so positive. I think to stay positive after 29 years into service is not a joke. So I think you deserve a huge round of applause from the entire Hyderabad ecosystem. Thank you for all the work, all the good work you've done. And I think Sonu Sood, I don't need to say more than one thing. I think there are many of us who have responsibilities. I'm an elected public representative, therefore it is my duty to serve the people. But I think gentlemen like Sonu Sood, who have done stellar work, pure humanitarian work without a motive, I think he's a real hero, deserves a huge round of applause. Sonu, you have inspired millions of people across not only India, but also other parts of the world. My compliments to you on a terrific humanitarian work. आपकी जो काम थी, हमें न सिर्फ हमें की बल्कि बहुत सारे लोगों को आपने एहसास दिया कि कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो होता ही है, बट इंडिविजुअल्स का भी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है, हर किसी का होता है. सो माय कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू यू ऑन अ टेरिफिक वर्क इन द लास्ट 1.5-2 years. I think guys, each of you who've been recognized here, I think only some of you have been recognized, like it was pointed out. Raj and others have mentioned that more than 850 or nearly 1,000 people who are part of the SIG, but only 250 of you could make it here. But a big round of applause to all of those who are not able to make it but have done terrific work. COVID was one crisis which none of us anticipated. I think it was a huge challenge for the entire humanity. It was not the role of a government or just a non-government organization, or even for that matter, an institution. It was a challenge thrown at the entire humanity, and how we've been able to step up in spite of not knowing how to handle it, in spite of not really having the ability when we began to be able to, kind of predict, project, understand how this is going to pan out. I think in spite of all the obstacles, we've done reasonably well, but we're not out of it yet. I think that's one thing we keep forgetting, we keep getting complacent. But I would like to say one thing. Many people, when I'm very active in social media, I'm on Twitter, I'm on other channels as well. It's very easy to criticize. It's very easy to sit in the comfort of your own home. It's very easy to sit in the comfort of your own office and, drop in a few lines criticizing the government or criticizing an individual or criticizing somebody who's trying to do some work. But it's very difficult to actually get out of that comfort zone and start doing something on your own. And that is exactly what you guys have done. You got out of your comfort zone in spite of all the challenges, in spite of all the problems that were inundating us during COVID. Personally, in fact, I just met one gentleman who was telling me, I forgot his name, but I'll remember the words he mentioned. He had said that while he was suffering with COVID, while he was in ICU for 14 days, his wife was actually outside trying to coordinate with the rest of the world and trying to help the rest of the world while he himself was suffering in the ICU. So that is the kind of effort people have put in. And that is the kind of stellar, valiant efforts that have gone in. Like, our elders have said, the good karma that you gather, the goodwill that you gather, the punya that you gather, as they call it, is definitely going to help your children. It's definitely going to help you. And I am very positive. When I say this, I mean it with all my heart. No, it's not the length of life that matters. We all live, we all die. It's not the length of life that matters. It's the depth of life that really matters. And that's exactly what you guys have done. You have come out, you've stepped up, helped a fellow human, showed the rest of the world that in fact humanity does exist and humanity continues to, do good when it matters. Sonu mentioned about the 4 things that will get thrown at you by PAP, as he called it. Apeksha, आलोचना, हत्या और आखिरी में श्रद्धा. These 4 things he had mentioned. What he was trying to say was, Edaina, I'll switch to Telugu for a bit soon. I think you understand Telugu. Your wife is Telugu, so you obviously have to understand Telugu. I don't think you have a choice. Kada? So I'll switch to Telugu. What he was trying to say was, మనం ఏదైనా మంచి పని మొదలు పెట్టినప్పుడు పాపం అనేది మొదట ఈయన ఆపేక్ష కోసం, అంటే పేరు కోసం, కీర్తి కండూతి కోసం ఏదో చేస్తున్నాడు అని మొదలు బద్నాం చేస్తారు. ఈయనకి ఏదో వేరే మోటివ్ ఉంది, లేదో ఏదో చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు, లేదా రాజకీయాల్లోకి రావాలనుకుంటున్నాడు, ఏదో పదవి కావాలి, లేదా ఇంకేదో కావాలి అని మొదలు బద్నాం చేస్తారు. అది దాటిన తర్వాత, ఆ స్థితి దాటిన తర్వాత ఆలోచన అంటే విమర్శ చేస్తారు. విమర్శతో మిమ్మల్ని డిమారలైజ్ చేసి అక్కడికే ఆపేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తారు. అది కూడా ఫెయిల్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ క్యారెక్టర్ అసాసినేషన్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తారు అన్నారు. ఇది ఎవరికో కాదు, సోను సూద్ గారికి కూడా జరిగింది. ఆయన ప్రయత్నం ఏదో ఆయన చేసుకుంటూ అంతో ఇంతో కష్టపడి ప్రజలకు సేవ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తుంటే ఐటీ దాడులు, ఈడీ దాడులు, రకరకాల దాడులు. ఎందుకంటే భయపడుతున్నారు ఏం చేస్తారో, మళ్ళీ ఈయన రాజకీయాల్లోకి వస్తే మాకెక్కడ నష్టం అని చెప్పి రకరకాల దాడులు చేసే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారు. బట్ सोनू डरना नहीं, किसी से डरना नहीं. जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है और उसमें जितना हम कोशिश करें, जैसा आपने दिखाया इस साल में, जितना हम कर सकते हैं एक इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे और एक सेलिब्रिटी के लेवल पे, आप जैसे सेलिब्रिटी ने जो दिखाया, यू आर द रियल हीरो. यू शुड नॉट बी डिटर्ड, यू शुड नॉट बी वरीड अबाउट एनी सच थिंग. वी आर ऑल विथ यू. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज सेड, once you do good work, then you get into that demigod status. You know, आपको भगवान बना दे के आपको एक मंदिर बना देंगे आपके लिए. मैंने तो देखा था कि आपके लिए किसी ने मंदिर भी बना दिया, बट उसमें मत जाना. ये ना बोलना कि मैं गॉड बन गया तो मैं अभी प्रीच करूंगा, कुछ नहीं करूंगा. So we are all going to work together, governments, non-government organizations, and whatever I am saying to Sonu Sood also applies to each and every one of you. Some of you had spoken to me and said, हमें और कुछ करना है. We want to do more. We will absolutely stand by you. The government of Telangana will work with you. I request you to reach out through SIG to Jayesh Ranjan. He's not only the Secretary for Industry and IT, he's also in charge of the corporate social responsibility from government of Telangana. So continue to do the good work, continue to reap good karma, continue to inspire others, fellow humans, to do more. Once again, I wish you all the very best, and let's hope together collectively we'll come out of this pandemic in the days to come, in the weeks to come. Thank you. Jai Telangana.